So let us start right from the basic. So let us quickly have a word on the CRM side. So I think most of us are aware of CRM, right? Customer relationship management, right? Okay, so customer relationship management, whenever we talk about this, customer relationship management is this tool which stores all the customer related information in one place, right? It tracks all the information related to your customers and prospects, right? Now, there is so much of information related to the customer which needs to be stored there. All this information goes and gets stored into this tool or application, what we call CRM, right? So the CRM, what we understand, is a place where you will need to store a lot of data, or a lot of information will be required to store there, to be stored there, right? Now, when we have this data to be stored, the point is, where do we store all this data? Do we put it on the server that we have built, or do we put it on a cloud-based server? Okay. So both the options are available to you. If you are a company and you have the CRM, you have both these options. You can put all the CRM related data. I'm not just about CRM, I'm just talking about CRM because Salesforce is more related to CRM. I just start my discussion with CRM thing, but it can be any data. So when you have data, you have two options of putting the data. Either you put it on your own server, or you put it on a cloud-based server. I mean, it can be personal data also. So let's say if you have a few personal files, you have two options. One, you put it in your hard disk, or you put it on a Google Drive. That sort of thing. So similarly, when there is the CRM and the CRM related data is there, the point is that where do you put all this data? Being a company, you cannot put it in a hard disk or a pen drive, because different people, or all the people in your company need to have access to that. So you cannot put it just in a hard disk or something. Okay, so you'll have to put it somewhere where everyone can access it, and moreover it is pretty much secured there. So that is something that you need to take care of. Now once we are talking about that side, so you just have two options. Either you build a server, database server of your own, put the data into that. So database server is something which can be accessed by multiple users at the same time. Either you build your database server and put your data there, or the other option, or the second option that you have is to put the data on a cloud-based server. Okay. So for our understanding, I think we understand what it means when I talk about creating your own database server and putting the data into that. You install the server, you take care of connecting it to all the computers in your company. So that is building your own server, right? When you go to some of the offices, you might have seen that there is a big server room, and it is pretty secured. People are not allowed inside the server room and everything, right? So that is the server. Okay. So one, you can build your own server. Second option that you have is you start putting data on a cloud-based server. Okay. So